In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a divide sign in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a math document for school or just need to use the division symbol for any other purpose, this guide will help you breeze through the process in just a few minutes. To begin with, open your web browser. The one you usually use is perfectly fine, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other. Go ahead and type Google Docs into your search engine and hit Enter. The official Google Docs website should be among the top results. Click on the link to open Google Docs. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to log in. If you aren't already signed into your Google account, use your credentials to sign in now. If you're already using Google services like Gmail, you'll be automatically signed in to Google Docs, making this step a breeze. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of your documents, along with options to create a new document. Open an existing document where you'd like to insert the division symbol, or if you'd like to start from scratch, click on the blank option to create a new document. With your document open, cast your eyes to the upper menu bar and find the Insert option. Once you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Special Characters. This is your go-to tool for adding various symbols that aren't readily available on your keyboard. A new dialog box will open up, revealing a palette of special characters. To find our division symbol, go to the search bar located within this dialog box. Type division into that search bar. Once you do this, the standard division symbol, which looks like a small dot over a line over another dot, should pop up amongst the results. When you see it, click on the symbol and it will be inserted directly into your document where your cursor is placed. If you're specifically looking for the long division symbol, maybe for a math problem or specific application, you'll want to use the same search feature, but with a slight twist. Simply enter long division into the search bar instead. This will help you locate the long division symbol more precisely, giving you the right tool for structured mathematical expressions. And there you have it. A simple way to insert both standard and long division symbols into your Google Docs document. Feel free to use these steps anytime you need to integrate special mathematical symbols. Thanks for following along, and enjoy using Google Docs as your tool for all your document needs.